Are you the one who is struggling to create perfect French lines? Then in this video, I'm gonna be showing you some different methods to create French tips, so keep watching! So to create perfect French lines, there are some particular methods that people use to create French tips. So the main rule is to find out the best jelly based gel color for your nails. I would suggest you to get a lighter nail gel. Then the method 1 is to create lines by using these long bristle brush. You can get them from Amazon like separately or in a set. So you can see how easy it looks. But if you face problem in creating this line, then you can use one trick by putting dots on the nail, and you have to follow the dots through this long bristle brush, and then again you have to create a curved line and again follow the same process upside down. And maybe you can use this brush as well, which is a method 2, and it's especially made for French tips. So you can see it's so easy to use, it's curved, so from the left side you can create the half French tip, and from the other side you can do the same process to create the full French curved nail. You can see it looks so beautiful. And maybe if you don't want to buy this brush, then you can use the original brush of the gel bottle, and you can create like any round or the V-tip. But if you're not expert in it, then I would suggest you to get any brush to create the lines, because these brushes are especially made for creating French lines. Now it's time for the third method, which is Polygel Technique. You have to apply the whole polygel nail base and the nail tip on the nail itself, which is given with the polygel set, and then you have to apply it on the nail, dry it on the lamp, and use the nail tools to clean out the other lines and then apply the top coat. It looks easy, but I think it's not recommended for all of the people because this can only be done by the professional. So don't worry, I have another method for you, which is method number 4. And this is a hard gel sculpting technique. It requires a lot of practice, but if you get expert in this trick, then it's not really hard for you to create it. So simply you have to take a hard jelly gel, and it's easily available on Amazon or on AliExpress, and then you have to keep the part, you have to create like a new gel base first, and then you have to apply the white part on the leftover place, and that's how it's done. And to clean out the edges and every single line, you can buff out every extra material by using a nail buffer. And the last step is to apply the top coat, and it's done. The most easiest method is this nail stamper. You have to simply apply the gel polish on the nail stamper, and this is how you are going to create a perfect curved French, or maybe like a half French, or whatever French you like. You can just use this stamper and do it. Method number 6 is to use these French nail stickers that are easily available on Amazon and AliExpress, and you can use any kind of style. You can maybe use an airbrush, or maybe you can use a gel polish itself, and it's so easy to create any kind of white design on it. So it's also easy to create French nails by just using these French stickers. And the 7th method is to use these French nail tip extensions from Amazon or AliExpress, and you can see how easy it is to put them on any gel based color, and they matches on any nail, and they have different sizes as well, so you can use them on any color of your choice. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.